Hey there, it's Brittany. I have a very quick haul from the bead chest. Typically, I probably wouldn't do a haul video for something this small, but several of you have asked where to get some of the beads that I got in this haul. And I haven't purchased them from Bead Chest before, but I got them from a Facebook sale, and that person no longer has anymore. So because you asked where I got them, I went and got them from the Bead Chest and thought, I'd send you on your way. I'll leave a link to the bead chest in the description. These are not them, but these are the larger beads that I got. So you have to buy these. These are focals. You buy them individually. I think these were like between $4 and $6 each because they're very intricate handmade beads. So this is a brass, and I think they call them boule beads or baule beads. That might be wrong, actually, now that I'm thinking about it. Isn't that gorgeous? This is on something, I would, if I was selling a bracelet and this was a focal, I would probably charge $40 to $60 to start for a bracelet that has a bead like this on it, depending on what else is on the bracelet. Loved this one. They were sold out forever. It's because I love celestial stuff, and they have stars and moons on here. At least that's what I'm calling or suns, maybe, what I'm calling those. I got one. Oh, this is the one I really wanted. Like, I got this one because I had it, but this is the one I really wanted because it has the brass and it's just so beautiful. Aren't these gorgeous? And then a smaller one that's a little bit more dinged up. I could always just put on some patina and rub it off to get that to be a little bit more black in the middle. I think I have a couple more. I do. I think my favorite one's going to be this one, but I got a silver one that's hammered. It's a little smaller. I think I got between 19 and 30 millimeters on all these. Yeah, I would probably rub a little bit of black on there, or maybe even a different color patina, and then a large. This is a 30 millimeter one. So I think these two are my favorites. Aren't those gorgeous? This one being my absolute favorite. Yay, those are going to be hoarded for a little while. I don't know what to do with them yet. And then I got some, what do they call these? They call them interlocking crisp beads. I call them bead caps, but they call them interlocking crisp beads. So I have these in silver, but they had them in brass and gold. I got brass. I might go back and get the gold. The gold was a little bit more expensive. These are actually a little bit less uniform than the strand that I got, and I don't know why, but they're still, I think they're African, but I'm actually not 100% sure about that. But these are little rounded bead caps. There's like probably several hundred on here. It was $16.50. Okay, this is something that you're gonna, unless you put the whole thing on a necklace, you're gonna be using for a very long time. And sometimes we don't think about we think about the big beads that are on a necklace, but like metal beads cost money too. So I got them in brass and I got them in copper because I had never seen them in copper. And of course, copper is one of my favorites. Brass, I think it goes gold and brass, and then copper is my favorite after that. And then all the other colors. They also had it in silver. I already have them in silver. They had them in several different sizes. I got them in 6 millimeter because that's the size I have in silver. And then the price varies between the sizes. I think they even had some in antique bronze, and I think they had some in black too, or like their version of gunmetal. So I got brass and copper. Love those. This is my favorite so far. And then I got some flat he-she's. I got a 2 millimeter. Oh my gosh, these are teeny tiny babies. I think these were $8, but I think there's like 1,200 beads on here. Look how tiny they are. They're 2 millimeter. 2 millimeter. Can use these as spacers with seed beads. Isn't that funny? We're gonna have to do something like that, like something just absolutely so minute and teeny tiny scale. I love it. And then I got a 3 millimeter. I think these were $12, and I think there's like 1,200 or something on here. They say somewhere on their site. Now I am seeing that some of these are a little dinged or whatever, but that is what it is. These are not the interlocking, like these are domed a little bit like a bead cap. These are he-she beads, they're flat. Okay, so there is some difference. And then these are he-she beads too. So overall, I think that's a really fun haul. I'll probably go back and get the gold because those are a little bit brighter. but not right now. I just came back from Tucson and I bought these like the next day. Like, what am I thinking? What am I thinking? But anyway, look, you can see me, but you can't see my face because of the reflection. Anyway, so thanks so much for watching. Let me know what you think. Have you shopped with the bead chest before? And have you been looking for these beads? Stay tuned for Goldie. She's super cute. Bye-bye. Hi, kitty. Aw, you love mommy, huh? Yeah. You're such a good girl with that little nose. Oh, there she is. You need a haircut. Yeah. You're so good. Mommy loves you. So does everybody else. Good night.